There's an attack.
Attack. Yes, come on, lamkhonza. Come on,
Through the
lamkhonza.
brethren.
Come
Cause-
on, tell lamkhonza attack.
Attack.
Yes. Then esikolo naye.
There was also
Who's it?
students. There's some attack.
Aniva.
I can't hear.
There's some attack.
There's some attack.
Attack. Yes, iyafunda bandibona attack. Life yake under attack. Babe khona noya bakhonza. Bakhonza nibhaliswe. Kuze la mkhuleka right now. Come. Yes. Life ulumfana under attack.
Your life is under attack.
Yes. Look.
Look.
Chung.
Look.
Yes. I will shape your
That
bangatulele.
shape, like you're sleeping.
Yeah? Camera.
Look
show
at
us
it.
so clear. Yeah? Yabona la shape?
That shape
Attack.
is an attack
Yeah? Life yofunda.
in the life of studies.
Attack.
It's an attack.
Sometimes life yofuna attack.
You may be attacked
Ube
and
nokozela.
I'm sleeping at
Lento iva kuwe.
what you're feeling in
Nokozela too much.
of being too sleepy.
Yenzeka also
It also happens.
attack.
It's an attack.
Attack.
It's an attack.
Kozela.
Being sleepy.
Okufani too much.
That is funny.
Bazolanga ngifuna ukubona lento faith akuzokuba ukuthini.
Your faith in
Banibhalisile
God.
mosibakho. Wathi banganikhulula xa banibhalisile. Banigcina into naphi? Jesus. Ngibabhalisele abakhonza.
Have you registered them?
So why never bagcina apha isidala? Nifunda nonke?
Are you all studying together?
Huh?
Yes.
Yes, attack.
An attack
Mhlobo wakho?
is your
Yeah.
friend.
Nifunda phi?
Where you study?
Funde Nelson Mandela University.
Andiba.
Nelson Mandela University.
In Nelson Mandela University.
Epai.
In PE.
So nilapha?
You are
I'm
here.
part-time jobbing. Yeah.
Yena.
And
He
he
also visit.
is here to visit.
He's also looking for a job.
Nakhona umsebenzi.
Hey doda, baku-attack.
They are attacking you
Ngathi umazi kakhulu.
like you know him a lot.
Yeah,
Tonight.
yeah,
More than him.
Yeah, he does have a spirit of sleeping and
Unomoya wokulala.
ebezixelele bakulo nyaka ba
You told us of this year.
uzakwenza i-timetable akwazi ufunda
Your
but
set
he's
timetable
been
doesn't
slacking
start.
off a lot of time.
He's lacking off most times sleeping.
Amoya.
That spirit.
Nawuthi ba
Not just
okay mandifundise
let me
also
teach
malungana nale.
also about that situation.
Phansi.
Can be seated.
Satan aba-attack
Satan does not attack.
nje.
Does not just attack.
Aku-attackwa nje.
Does not just attack.
Umuntu osele ezi-attackile ngokuthi yena
By a person who already attacked himself by
mna
saying
ndidum.
that I'm dumb.
ubone attackwa nje ohlakaniphile.
The reason it's been attacked is because it's clever.
So ba-attacka lani
They are attacking that.
bafuna ususa yonke lani.
They want to remove all of that.
Lord uyakhuleka namhlanje.
You are being free today.
Uyakhuleka namhlanje.
You are being free today.
Uyakhuleka namhlanje.
You are being free today.
Zona uyakhuleka.
You are being free.
Out.
Puma.
Wenzani esikoleni?
What is it studying at school?
Wenze IT.
It's studying IT.
Awuxelele.
I'm telling you,
Awu-attackwa nje.
not just being attacked,
Awu-attackwa nje.
not just being attacked.
Ingqondo yakho ndiyayikhulula namhlanje
I
ngoba Satan.
deliver your mind from Satan's.
Life yakho ndiyayikhulula.
I deliver your life.
Receive intsikelelo
Receive the blessing
kwicala lezifundo
in
zakho.
the set of your studies.
Jesus name. You are free.
Ukhulekile. Clap hands.
Kanti
My name is Kanti.
ukufana kweqotso
My name is.
ngwasebhayi
I'm from PE.
ndifunda pha
I studied
lo
there.
nyaka upheleyo
Last year,
bendiyagqiba
I thought it was my
Last year
final year.
ndenza IT
I'm doing IT.
qha yakhona ke imodule lensokolisayo
There was one module that gave me problems.
lo nyaka since last year oko ndithisana nayo nakulo
I've been
nyaka
struggling with this one module.
module 1
Even this one module.
akululanga, hayi ndiyalala ndiba nobuthongo ndithi ndizayenza into ndingayenzi ndiyibeke
I
ixesha
do
elithile.
it for a certain time.
Xa kufika i-deadline
When the deadline comes.
ndipenikhe, nento endiyaziyo ndiphele
Anything
ndingayazi.
I know, I end up not knowing it.
Akululanga
khuluma ndoda siba naxhala.
Don't be worried.
siyanyamezela siyapusha
We push.
asozoncama with the challenges esifacing.
Iyamthemba uyesu ukhulule
Trust
namhlanje.
that Jesus delivered you.
Ndoda. Iyamthemba uyesu ngobomi bakho.
Do you trust Jesus delivered you?
Ukhululekile ke nona.
You are free.
Hamba ngibobhala uphumelele.
Go and prosper.
Uthembe uyesu ngempumelelo.
Trust Jesus with prosperity.